Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jam, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. In today's video, I'll be swatching Wild Romantics collection by CND Vinylux. Wild Romantics is an earthy range of colors. Let's start by swatching Books and Beaujolais. Oh my gosh, perfect in one coat! Books and Beaujolais is described as a deep barn red. Second we have is Wrapped in Linen. Very nice one coat. Now for the second coat. Wrapped in Linen is described as a classic neutral. Third shade from this collection is Soft Flame. A wonderful one-coater as well. Soft Flame is described as a sophisticated terracotta. Next is Woodsy Bliss. Such a pretty one-coater. I think this collection are super pigmented. Now for the second coat. Woodsy Bliss is described as a rich, pink-toned mauve. Fifth we have is Candlelight. Way too opaque in one coat too. Candlelight is described as a goldenrod yellow. And the last we have is Barbato Velvet. And we have another one coat nail polish. Barbato Velvet is described as a jewel-toned violet. These Vinylux shades are super duper pigmented. I'm really loving how it's super opaque within just one coat. Wild Romantics is a rustic palette crafted with elegance, soul, and optimism. I'm really loving the combination of these 6 autumn shades. And when it comes to brushes, CNDs are just my fave. I applied it easily because of their perfect brushes. You can get these shades at CND Philippines' Shopee and Lazada. Links will be available below. Oh, and by the way, which among these gorgeous rustic shades is your favorite? I want to know them, so don't forget to leave them on the comment section. I hope you guys can try out this collection too. Thank you so much CND Philippines and New Summit Colors Distribution for sending me this collection. Don't forget to follow them on their official social media pages. Links will be available below. And that's it for today's swatch video. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and on Facebook to get the latest updates and more. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!